Hey sweeties, welcome back to Hazel TV. And it's Christmas! Well, it's supposed to be the happiest time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year apparently, but 2020 has been a beating. Oof. It's been a big oof. And I'm not the only one. I'm actually pretty grateful that even though I was affected, I am still alive. I still have my family with me. And um, yeah, blessings are still there around the corner. But some people have been through much, much worse. And I know it's going to be hard to celebrate Christmas now. But I am a firm believer that God is good and that there will always be a silver lining. And so that's why I'm dedicating this makeup look today to everybody who's going through something, who is like me, na makeup brightens up our day a little bit, or gets us to get up and move a little bit. This Christmas look is called the silver lining. And I did this for a Christmas show that I did a couple of months ago, and you guys really responded to it, really liked it, so decided might as well show you how I did it. Maybe you can do it for your Christmas party too. Online, social distancing pa rin tayo.
So first thing I did was get a shadow palette that would carve out my eye, like make it look like my eyes are deeper because that's just the shape that I want. So I'm packing on the brown, the matte brown on the corner of my eye where I'm gonna put the eyeliner, and on my upper eyelid just to make it look deeper para mas ma-complement yung glitteriness ng eyelid natin later. But you could use a darker shade. You could use black to make it more smoky, or any other color to make it more fun. Now I'm gonna put concealer. I'm gonna put concealer on the smaller lid. What do you call this part? Cut crease. Yeah, cut crease. And then I'm gonna set it with white powder. Then after that, I'm gonna use this liquid glitter thing that Kath gave me. So shout out to Kath. Sobrang gamit na gamit ko yung gift mo. Then I'm gonna let it dry because it's pretty wet and it gets really tacky. And then after that, I'm gonna set that with a highlighter. And I'm not really sure if beauty gurus would be like, yeah, you're doing good, or like, no, what the heck are you doing? But this is just my non-professional way of doing it. And then, speaking of winging it, here's your wing liner. So this really is gonna depend on your eye shape, and me, I'm not really the best with eyeliner, so I try to use both the pencil liner and the liquid liner at the same time just to get that filled in look. And then we're gonna proceed with our colored white glitter liner. And if you watched my unboxing video for this item, I was not happy at all with it. Like, it's not the best, but I made it work and doing the best with what we have. Silver linings. And as you can see, I'm drawing past my inner corner with the glitter liner, and then underneath my eyeliner as well, just to get that silver lining thought into it. So yeah. Now this part is totally optional. I am not a person who likes to use false lashes, but I'm sure this look will be so much better with false lashes. So if you have falsies, are into falsies, have much better lashes than mine, then go ahead and use them. For the lips, I'm going to be using red just because it's Christmas, but you could also use nude, whatever color you want.
And that is my Christmas silver lining makeup look. I hope that kahit paano na nag-enjoy kayo. And if you do want to make that look, post it and tag me on all my socials. It's in the description down below. And I hope that it reminds you that everything in this world does have a silver lining. The dark times will end, and the good times will come back very soon. Let's stay hopeful for Christmas and not forget that the whole reason for Christmas is the birth of baby Jesus Christ. So let's celebrate him and his goodness and our salvation all together as a family. By the way, I go live every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesdays at Kumu and Saturdays at the fan page. So if you want to interact with me, drop some gifts to show your support, or have song requests, go ahead and join us on our lives. I'd love to get to know you better. And watch out for our K-Pop Tagalog cover this 14th December. And if you like this video, please give it a like, give it a share, let people know it exists, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Click the ringy bell so YouTube will let you know when my next upload is. But I do upload every Friday, 11:30 a.m. That's our regular schedule right there. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you more and stay sweet.